Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to solve the problem of unable to access a Google product. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to solve the problem of unable to access a Google product. Well, if you are unable to access your Google product, number one, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. If your connection is slow or unstable, it may prevent you from accessing Google products. Number two, verify Google account login. You have to ensure you're properly logged in into your Google account. Go to Google account, check if you're signed in with the correct account. If you're signed out, try signing in again using your username and password. Number three, check for the account issues. Check for account suspensions or warnings. You can visit Google Account Support to see if any issues are preventing you from using a product, or look for any email notifications from Google regarding your account. Number four, clear cache and cookies. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear browsing data. Choose cookies and other site data and cache images and files, and click Clear Data. Number five, try incognito mode. Open an incognito window in Chrome by clicking the three dots and selecting New Incognito Window. Try accessing the Google product in this mode. Number six, disable browser extensions. Disable extensions in Chrome by clicking the three dots, More Tools, Extensions. Turn off any active extensions and try accessing the Google product again. Check Google status. Visit the Google Workspace status dashboard to see if there's a known outage of the product you're trying to access. And then contact Google support. If none of the above solutions work, you can reach out to Google for help. Visit the Google Help Center, select the Google product you're having trouble with, and check their troubleshooting guide. You can also contact their support team for further assistance. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of being unable to access a Google product. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.